I'm from the Great White North, right? Like up above the States.
Yeah.
The big landmass that the rest of the world hates.
Yeah.
We're like above that. Fucking north, I guess. The big patch of trees where everybody's bored to death. We're just chilling up here, sipping syrup, playing hockey. Before we learn to walk, we can cross-check properly. Just rocking plaid jackets. Chainsaws, we operate them right. Fucking A-right we do, bud. We cut our weight in firewood. Every 20 minutes or so. Smoke break. And if the Leafs make the playoffs, I'll fucking jump in the lake. Fucking buddy comes over to my place the other night and he's like, "You wanna go out for a rip?" And I was like, "Fucking right."
Yeah.
So we hop in the truck and hit the mud and I was like, "Oh, fuck yeah, bud. Just out for a rip, are you, bud? Just out for a rip? Just out for a rip, are you, bud? Just out for a rip? Just out for a rip, are you, bud? Just out for a rip? Just out for a rip, are you, bud? Just out for a rip? I come from the land of the polite, where shit's covered in ice. And when I'm down in the States, they're like, "You're too fucking nice." Like, yeah, we got manners, but fucking buddies still fight and fucking swear and fucking drink all night. Like this one time, me and fucking buddy are out having a dart, and fucking buddy burns a hole in my coat. And I was like, "Fuck, bud," cause the coat was pretty new, right? And he's like, "Fuck you." So I put his head in a snowbank and just started fucking feeding him the right, left. Like fucking boom, boom, boom. Got enough yet? And he's like, okay, fuck, chill out, shit. So I pulled him out of the snow and we went out for a rip.
Yeah.
Just out for a rip, are you? Fuck yeah. Just out for a rip, fucking right. Just out for a rip, are you? Fuck yeah. Just out for a rip, fucking right. Just out for a rip, are you? Fuck yeah. Just out for a rip, fucking right. Just out for a rip, are you? Fuck yeah. Just out for a rip, fucking right.
I told this guy where I was from. He said, "Oh, Canada." Kinda laughed it off. Real funny, huh? Yeah. Come on. 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Yeah. Yeah, from the land of the lost, trans-Canada cross, patriotic and I honor with my hand on my heart. From the greatest of lakes, to the greenest of greens, to the rockiest mountains and everything in between. Oh Canada, oh you're no fan of us, cause our movie and TV shows are so amateur. Yeah, we laugh it off, that don't really bother me. Look, we ain't serious unless we really gotta be. Humorous attitude, like kids in a hall. The Jim Carrey, Mike Myers, how we claiming them all. It's a great white north, home of the funniest actors. The front of the joke with an abundance of laughter. The red and white flag, keep it high, keep it visual. People say Canada and get stereotypical. Think we finish every sentence with buddy or bye. And if it ain't that, it's either dude A or guy. Yeah, we consider it people. And smoking marijuana, we consider it legal. Still doing rap like the 1990s, but that's how we like it, off time and grimy. I know where I'm from and I told you before. North of America, hard to ignore. Every time I go away, I tell them for sure I'm from Canada. Oh, Canada. Oh Canada, oh Canada. I'm from Canada, oh Canada.
The class makes a sick beat, recorded a classic. Class makes a sick beat, recorded a classic. Class makes a sick beat, recorded a classic. Class makes a sick beat, recorded a classic.
I've been around the globe and heard the confusion. Honestly, a lot of y'all are ignorant and stupid. Yes, we have microwave TVs and cell phones. Unintelligent fuck, we invented the telephone. We made Yahtzee, the light bulb, hockey, and bred the greatest players, Gretzky to Crosby. We all got at least one drinking buddy, and after one drink, all of us think we're funny. Our national mascot's a damn beaver. Oh Canada, we love our beaver. Home of Hell's Angels and RCMP. Home of Gordon Lightfoot and SCTV. Dope, the Underground Railroad. George St. Pierre right here's where we call home. A healthcare system, y'all know it's free. Keep a girls banging with a full mouth of teeth. I won't even get into the music industry. They say hip-hop is dead, nah, it's up north with me. I can do this all day, it's a part of my routine. But supper's almost done, and tonight yeah, I know where I'm from, and I told you before. North of America, hard to ignore. Every time I go away, I tell them for sure I'm from Canada, oh, Canada.
I'm from the East Coast of Canada.
Oh, Canada.
I'm from the East Coast.
Dope, I'm from Canada, so sometimes words come over my mouth like this. Get used to it.